Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Vivo S17 to an Android device. Firstly, go into Play Store and get an app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to set it up, choose the same options on both devices. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now in this pop-up, tap on Not Now if you need to, or don't click on anything and close this window by choosing OK. Finally, after selecting Close in the white pop-up at the top, click on Send at the bottom left corner of Vivo. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Now, using all of those categories available at the top of Vivo device, you can select all of your files that you wish to transfer. When you finished, click on Send next selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. When you finished, hit Receive in order to connect. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!